Better believe she's a screamer. Well, that sounds just dandy, doesn't it? Oh my. 12.5. So, as luck would have it, happy Funday Sunday. You know, I didn't bring a strap, did I? Dang. I like to have a strap for these fine aircraft. This is an early one, an oldie with lots of cool lighting and even a beacon on top. So I want to really try not to destroy it because I beat the ever-loving snot out of this thing when I first got it. What would this be? All right. Runway 29er. Here we go. All right, something like that. So we got right, we got left. Very subtle corrections there. I hope they're right. Left, right, left. Wait, left, right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the lovely Cessna Citation, as luck would have it, they were having some sort of a revival over at the church tonight. So, hey, winds are low. Let's give this a shot. And we'll pop it out of that craziness. This is another screamer, much like the kind of twinsy twin 30, the piglet's cousin here. So it makes horrible sounds, but it is a pretty good little flyer, you know. It's not a bad spot. It's not a great spot, but there are many obstacles. Seems to be my lot in life. Let's see how tough it would be to line up an actual... Wait a minute, is it coming from that direction? Is that another... Am I doing my downwind thing now? It doesn't give me a lot of room, does it? Whew! Maybe we come in from that direction and things will be better, huh? Let's try to line one up from the west. East is least and west is best. There we go. Really, wow, burning it up. Another one just burns it up. Almost had curb appeal there. Hey, she ended up upright. I'm going to count that fucker. Really? You all right, honey? After that? All right. Cessna! God, what a noise. What a racket. My goodness, you poor thing. It pains me to do this to you. I'm really going to take her out there. Got to fly her in. You can't take it off entirely, but I want to see a buttery, soft little... Now that's almost an Alex landing. Thank you very much. Yeah. Aren't you a cutie pie, huh? We got 2 minutes left on this silly thing? No way. No way. Cessna up and out. Oh, I just killed the battery. How's that beep? Oh, Cessna. I don't know if this thing will even do a loop. Oh, it kind of will, yeah. Does that jet loop thing. Oh, that's a LBC. Sorry about that. Where are we going to put you down, huh? To hell with reverse. Right turn, Clyde. Did I take the rubber off the wheels? Poor little girl. Killed the battery, man. We had a minute, almost 2 minutes left. I'd say the timer may be somewhat optimistic. Well, let's see. Let's get you down here so you look all hunkered down and fall real. All right, folks. Well, I had intended to fly another one, but I left the battery on. That's how it rolls. That's how I roll. How she look? Does she look good? I can make a little noise, but you don't really want to hear this one. All right. Cheers, one and all. Yeah.